Hi, I'm Ben.
Hello, Ben. I'm Sarah.
Where are you from, Sarah?
I'm from London. How about you, Ben?
I'm from New York.
What do you do, Ben?
I'm a student, and you, Sarah?
I'm a teacher.
Do you like teaching?
Yes, I love it. And you, Ben?
I enjoy studying English.
That's great. English is a useful language.
Yes, it is. Do you speak any other languages, Sarah?
Yes, I speak a little Spanish.
That's impressive. I only speak English.
Don't worry, English is a good language to know.
Thank you, Sarah.
You're welcome, Ben.
What do you do in your free time, Sarah?
I like reading and traveling.
That sounds fun. I like playing basketball and watching movies.
That's interesting. Do you have any siblings, Ben?
Yes, I have one sister. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
That's nice. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
I love dogs.
Me too.
What's your favorite food, Sarah?
I love pizza.
Pizza is my favorite too.
Really?
Yes, I could eat pizza every day.
Me too. Do you like to cook, Ben?
Not really, do you?
Yes, I love cooking.
What's your specialty?
I make a mean lasagna.
That sounds delicious. Maybe you could cook for me sometime.
Sure, I'd love to.
Well, it was nice meeting you, Sarah.
It was nice meeting you too, Ben.
I'll see you later.
Goodbye, Ben.